Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott rear air spring designed for the Porsche Panamera 970. This video will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Disconnect the airline using a wrench. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. The next step is to disconnect the air spring electrical connection. Now compress the air spring and remove it from the vehicle. The removal of the old air spring is now complete. For the installation of the new air spring, ensure that the lower black ring is seated properly on the lower piston of the air spring. It will remain seated in this way during the entire installation and inflation process. Also, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now remove the shipping pin from the new Arnott Air Spring. Next, install the new Arnott Air Spring into the vehicle and ensure the spring is seated securely in the correct orientation. Now reconnect the air spring electrical connection and install the airline by pushing the line into the fitting until it is firmly seated. Then start the vehicle and ensure the air spring is properly seated as it airs up. Now reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle until the wheels touch the ground. Ensure that the air spring is properly seated and then lower the vehicle completely. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air spring of a Porsche Panamera 970 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.